Welcome to Pies Around the House. Now today I just want to show you something I quickly discovered on this roof on my house. Now this slate roof was done many years ago when I was renovating the house. I didn't have a lot of time on my hands and it was one of the very few jobs I actually paid someone to do for me. They were a local roofing company. The quote they gave me I thought was quite reasonable, so I went for it. They came with 2 Velux windows and the membrane, and generally it wasn't too bad a job in fairness. But I've had some problems with this recently. We've been getting a bit of moisture through here, and I think the issue is by here. If you look along there where you've got this sealant on these old Victorian sort of style buildings, there's no overhang like I did up on the loft conversion on my roof there, which obviously allows the water to run off. So instead you find that these slates are tilted in, any moisture tracks back there, and then unless you've got a good bead of sealant in there, it tends to make its way onto the bricks, and I think that's what's happening. Anyway, let's go up and take a look. Now you get to here, now this sealant under here is loose, so I'm playing around with this slate, and I pull this out and look what I find. A big blob of sealant, no nail, and that's what professional roofers have done to stick on the end slates. Now to be honest with you, if they did it properly, you should have put double slates on the end or slate and a halves. You can get away with using the half slates like this, but you should still be nailing them up under here to the batten, which they haven't. So if I push that back in, I thought, I wonder if they've done this to the rest of them. If you look here, we've got the same again with a big blob of sealant. So it turns out that pretty much every slate up the end there has been dabbed on with a blob of sealant and not held in place with nails, so that's great. So the moment this sealant under here is gone as well, it's suddenly loose now. Just another little moan. Apologies for all the rants lately, but I just get fed up of people calling themselves one thing or another and not really doing the job properly. So another job that I got to rectify from one of the few professional teams of tradespeople that I let loose on my house. So there we go. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my quick moan again. I've been Pies Around the House. Ta-ta, farewell.